Hi, my name is Howard. I'm from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology and the State Key Laboratory of Advanced Display and Optoelectronics Technology.
So what do we see here?
You can see some display made by our technology, which is the photo alignment. We produce the photo alignment material that can be used in the liquid crystal display. So this one here, you can see by using our technology, the wide viewing angle can be achieved because we make use of the multi-domain by using our material.
So it's like segmented display?
Yes, it's a segment display, but it can be made a very wide viewing angle, and for each pixel it has 4 domains. So the 4 domain can make the viewing angle extremely wide.
What does it mean, photo aligned?
Photo aligned means we don't use the conventional rubbing process. We use the UV to shine our substrate coated with our material, and then the direction can be defined. So after that, when the liquid crystal is filling inside the liquid crystal cell, the liquid crystal can align as a defined direction.
So it means a brighter display? What is it? What is possible to do with this?
The wide viewing angle. The main features is the wide viewing angle.
So more visible, useful, and like it could be scooters or motorbikes? Or what could be this one?
Whatever. TV, whatever is almost infinite wide viewing angle.
So it's a technology that can be used for any LCD?
Yes.
And other type of display also?
No, for LCD only. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So it's in part of the sandwich, or what do you call it? The liquid crystal has all these layers. You add one?
Yes. It's the main material. The conventional one use the rubbing PI. That need to use a rubbing, the mechanical method to define the alignment direction. But our material make use of the light direction to define the alignment direction.
Do you want to introduce your guys?
These are our team members. This is Ken. This is Yechu. This is BT.
Are they in your team?
Yes, we are in the same team. We are research of this material.
And what do we see here?
Actually, this is for single domain, because other than the multi-domain, we can also make the single domain. These two, we cooperate with the real LCD manufacturer. We use our material to implement in their production line.
And you can also do the full type of LCD, any type.
Yes.
Full color, full everything.
Yes, it's possible. This example is only the monochrome display, but it can be possible to implement in TFT.
And what do we see here?
This is the other direction make use of our material. These are the optical device we can use in LiDAR applications. So we make use of our material to align the liquid crystal polymer to 2 different directions. And when the laser single beam shine in this layer, it can divert to many dots.
And what is the use case for this?
This can widen the spot size that can be made use in the LiDAR applications.
So it's for example, self-driving cars potentially.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Sure.
So it could make it more accurate.
Yes, more efficient, because the area scanning is larger, so it makes the scanning more efficient.
So safer cars. Potentially.
Yes. Yeah.
Or lower cost LiDAR.
Yes.
Maybe. Okay. And what do we see here?
This is for the 3D applications. Also make use of our material to align 2 different directions. So you can see a black and white. So black means one alignment direction, white is the other direction. It can be made use by our material.
So there's a lot of advantages to align things or to use this?
This is just two examples. We have many examples can make use of material for the optical device.
And what do we see here? Is this the lab?
This is our lab. This is our lab. We are coming from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. This is the lab we are working for making the photo alignment material.
So what is the discussions you can have here at Display Week? You can discuss with the industry, show this?
Yes, of course, sure. We are looking for anyone who are interested to our technology, and we can make cooperations in the future.